Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Tech. Today I am going to show you very important thing about one printer here. You can see HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M176n. You can see in the screen the error is rear door open. So right after I turn it on, it's given the error rear door open. So I will show you why this error comes and how to resolve this error. Now, the rear door is closed, it should not give an error. Okay, I open this rear door. I will show you some important things in this printer so you will learn it very well. You can see here on the left side there is one plastic lock that holds this rear door. Same like this comes in the right side, that is in my hand. I just before a while I opened this rear door, I found it fallen here. So I will tell you how to fix this back to close the rear door, and we will not see the error again, this rear door open. A second thing is also there is one sensor here. This is the sensor inside. When we close this rear door, this plastic, this plastic in the rear door, it's went inside. It will go to inside and it will show that the rear door is closed. So this part actually I want to show you how to fix this, because if you found it in your printer fallen down, you should know how to fix this back. So hold it like this, like this shape. These things will come right beside this. Okay, hold it like this. Okay, then you can see here I will fix this. Okay, look, it's fixed back. Now you can see it's fixed well. Now we will close the rear door and check either it's working or not. Same like this. Sometimes the left side will fall down, so you have to fix this also like this, and the right one is like this. One is black and one is white. I will close this door and we will see the error should be resolved now. It started initializing. Let's see. Still it's saying that rear door open. So now maybe there is issue in the sensor. This is the sensor I told you, sensor over here. Maybe this is the issue now. This plastic part is sometimes sensor with the dust give an error. It's not working properly. So I have one spray here for contact cleaner. I will put the little spray and check. If it will not work again, and then I have another way. I will tell you how to fix this scanner, this rear door error. Started initializing. Okay, again it said rear door open. This sensor is not working well. So guys, now the key thing is, take one paper. I take this paper and make it like this, and insert here we will manipulate this sensor. Okay. See again. Look, it started initializing. I am hopefully that it will not give now error again, rear door open. The key things are the side, right and left side, there will be two plastics that will hold the rear door. The second thing is sensor. If sensor will not work perfectly, you can throw a little spray, contact cleaner, or if again it will not work, then you have to put any piece of paper inside. So this is a little manipulation. Suppose printer should work. Let's see. Look, it didn't give an error now. It started initializing. You can see it will come ready in a while. Hope you liked it and maybe you learned something new from this video. If you have any question regarding any HP Color LaserJet printer, you can ask me in the comment box. This model is, I again tell you, M176n. Okay, it's game ready. okay, successfully. Now there is no error, only supplies are very low. This is not an issue. Rear door open error is resolved now. Okay guys, take care, bye.